আপনারা দেখেন সব আছেন তো
কিন্তু আমরা যারা লক্ষ্য করলাম যে 15 জুলাই করবার আগেই ক্ষমতা হস্তান্তরের সাথে সাথে 13 জন সচিব যোগী এবং অনেক সিনিয়র কর্মকর্তা তারা সেখানে বসে থেকেছে। মানে it is not free and fair. Apparently it seems that it is free and fair. It is free but not fair. That I can tell you. Yes, voters are there. Election, apparently you can say that yes, it is free, but surely it is not fair. আরেকটি অবাক কাণ্ড যে একদিকে তারা কোন সদস্যের বিরুদ্ধে কোনো ব্যবস্থা নেই। Well, this result, our people couldn't accept this result because it is not up to the expectation of our people. And as you know that I always work for people. So I am always with people and still I am with people. So people haven't accepted this result.
Of organizing the elections and those responsible for its execution, all of them were able to vote. Correct procedures for counting half of the polling centers visited by the observers. The delegations agreed that the polling on October 1st, 2001 was generally free, fair, peaceful, and orderly.